Hello watchers, welcome back to the channel. Hannah here. Today we're going to make this glamorous glass display case using some Dollar Tree items. These are the things that you will need to complete this look. You will need 2 of these wooden frames here from the Dollar Tree, and you will need 4 of the long picture frames also from the Dollar Tree. You guys, you would need some permanent glue, hot glue, and some bling or any other embellishments that you would like to use of your choice, and either some paint or some contact paper to cover this wooden box. Alright, I will leave all of the information down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. Please go ahead and take a moment and click that subscribe button. We will be so enthused to have you as part of the family here at Hanna Watkins TV. Alright, let's get started with this DIY. So the first step we're going to do is simply remove all of the inserts of this picture frame. We want to remove everything right down to the glass. You will also want to remove the black tabs for the picture frame as well, so that it will look seamless and flawless when you're done with the entire look. Okay, so you should have 4 frames completely gutted right here, and then we're going to take our wooden boxes and go ahead and cover them in the contact paper that I picked up from Burlington Coat Factory. Now I'm just going to cover this box with this contact paper, and I am going to do everything twice because I also will be needing to cover the bottom portion of the display case as well. So I'm just going to do everything twice. Now that I have it cut out, I'm just going to cover the box the best that I can, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so our boxes are now covered. We're going to take our picture frames and we're going to embellish them with this beautiful bling wrap. My bling wrap is from Totally Dazzled, you guys. I will leave my affiliate link in the description box where you can order you some of their beautiful bling wrap. It's very beautiful and I love using it on all my crafts. Now that we have our bling wrap cut, we're just going to glue it down using some hot glue. You can also use some clear permanent glue as well. It's your choice. And once I get this one done, I'm going to do the same to all of the other 3. Now we want to insert only 2 of the frames with glass panels. Only 2. You want to reinsert them using some hot glue and some permanent glue. Okay, so once we have our 2 glass frames attached, we're going to now attach them to the 2 wooden, I don't know what to call them, the 2 wooden sides. And we're going to do that with some permanent glue and a combination of hot glue again. And you want to make sure that they are facing the proper directions, okay? So you kind of want it looking like this. You want the bottoms, all of the bottoms to be facing the bottom, basically in one direction. Okay, and you're going to do the same thing with the top, and you're going to see exactly how I create this look. making sure that the glass sides are parallel to each other and the open frame sides are parallel to other when you're building this display case. I hope that makes sense. Just continue to watch the video. It will all come together. Okay, you guys, I'm going to let the rest of the video play, and yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, now time to embellish it a little bit more. I'm going to use the square bling wrap that I picked up from AC Moore craft store, you guys. You have to search it on the AC Moore site, square rhinestones, and it should pop up. I'm just going to add this to the sides to cover the gaps that are there. And yeah, you guys, that's going to be it. I hope you enjoyed this making of this glass display case. You can use it at events. You can use it at just for home reasons. You can use it for whatever you want to use it. It's very beautiful. I'm going to show you some ways that I did style it. And yeah, so be sure to share this video. Give me a like, thumbs it up, and leave me a comment. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you all. Love, peace, and blessings. Mwah. Bye-bye.